people are so much exposed via all these social networking sites that all the generational expectations of professionals are gone for a toss. There's not much work to be done anymore. Especially this COVID situation has made us understand that what used to be may not be, and what is coming up may not also remain the same in the time to go. So I think most of us are ready for changes. It could be about any kind of changes. For an example, I have never thought that I would be giving or I would be attending a discussion of this sort, this thought, into this. I never thought that I would be investing any penny extra on the internet connection other than what I have on my phone. My phone has a hotspot. There's enough memory, enough data left on the phone, and that should work. I never thought that I would have to go in for a fiber connection. But the situation is such that everything today, right now, is on internet. Everything. Even our shopping is on internet. Blow that. So if you ask me rightly, generational expectations have to go. They have already started going. If they have not gone, then I think the people are not exposed enough again. They're not into social networking. This happens with two kinds of people. Either they are very new into the system, they're first-time job seekers, or they have been too old into the system who are not willing to diversify, who are not willing to change. But the second part is almost gone. The second part is not of a concern. The newcomers, they are already exposed, and it is up to the organization to make sure that the people know that we are an organization of the future and we are very prone to change. And that has to be marketed very well into the minds of the new employees who are joining in. And that can be done during the induction programs. And probably change should be one of our values, which we add along with things like respect, transparency, blah, blah, blah. We have a value system of every organization. So change should be one of those values, I think. They should be imbibed with the right kind of experience and expertise. There are other things that are going on in my mind, how to bring about those changes. Every change is like a celebration. Every change is like an activity in the office. Everything that we bring about that was not normal or that was not practiced before the change is happening has to be brought in as if it is an event. And only then it will make sense. A few months later, again, I will not name the company, but a very, very interesting organization run by a family. But the organization is so forward-looking that they launched their values through a 2-day program in one of the 5-star resorts here around in Kolkata. I was amazed, and I still have respect for the people, for the team which is running this organization. And this is one organization who I have seen are very serious, and this is much before COVID. Okay, when I'm saying few months back, I'm not talking about 3 months. I'm talking about a year back, actually, or more than a year, actually. They were so serious about the values of the organization that they launched the values in an event with all the top managers, and they were supposed to be bringing it down to the other employees, their teammates, and so on and so forth. And it was wonderful. So things like that have to be practiced.